All right, everybody, this short lesson here is going to be on how to add notes to your eBinder. So we can do that in a couple of different ways. We can add a Google Doc, but we can also add images to our eBinder if we were doing it by pictures that you took with your phone. So I'm going to show you both ways. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to go back to my home page on my eBinder here, and then I'm going to open up my notes page for September in geometry. So notice I clicked on pages, open up my eBinder resources. There's my geometry page and September and notes. And right now my notes page is blank, but I'm going to add some notes that I have. And so how I do that, up here, see where it reads insert pages themes, we're going to go to insert. And for this first one, I'm going to do it as an image carousel. And that's the only way you can do images in Google Sites. It's a little bit, I wish we could do individual images, but it's just the way that it is. And it works fine because you'll have more than one page of notes anyway. Once you click on that image carousel, it says, all right, insert images, and just click on the plus and upload image. And then scroll through your drive to find the pictures of your notes that you took. Hopefully you've been organizing them. Here's one page of notes that I'm going to insert. Then once it loads, click again, upload image, and then scroll until I find it. And there's my second one. And then once that one loads, I'm going to click on insert. You keep doing that until you have all of your notes up there for geometry or all of your notes up there for English, whichever class that you happen to be in. So I'm going to click on insert, and then Google does the work for me. And you won't actually see the other pages until you go to your website and publish it. And I'll show you that in just a moment. So I'm going to add one more bit of notes, but this one was a typed notes. So I'm going to scroll down just a little bit, and I'm going to find docs, insert docs. And now for this, I don't like the way Google has it organized because it won't show your folders, but it does show by days when you uploaded things. So that will be really helpful in finding your notes. So I'm just going to scroll down until I find one of the Cornell Notes templates. It's going to take me just a little bit to find it. Here's one right here. So I'll do that. And then you'll see right there under my image carousel that it has loaded my Google Doc. Now to view it, to see what it's going to look like once you publish it, I'm going to click on this, reads preview. And you'll see it's going to take a second to load things. This hasn't quite there. It has loaded now. You see the arrows? If I click on the arrow, it takes me to the other page of notes. And then if I scroll down a little more, there's the notes that I took typed. And then at that point, hit the X to go out of preview, just to make sure you did it right. And then you just need to publish your eBinder again. Remember, every time you change it, make sure you publish it. So I'm going to hit publish. And you'll see here that my draft and my notes, publish, and it's good. And that's how you do it, putting notes into your eBinder. Watch this as many times as you need to.